What are the common mistakes that people make when applying for a European passport? Hi, my name is Joshua Pex. Over the years, we've helped many applicants apply for European passports, usually on the basis of Jewish heritage, whether it's a German and Austrian passport for descendants of Holocaust survivors, Portuguese passport for those from Sephardic heritage, Romanian, Lithuanian, and other passports. We've helped many clients apply, and over the years we've also seen people trying to do it on their own and often, unfortunately, making mistakes. So we sat together with the team and we came up with the 5 common mistakes that people make, so hopefully you don't have to make these mistakes. So let's go over them. First of all, it's obvious pursuing a citizenship that you're not even entitled to. Different countries have different rules. Obviously, Europe are many different countries, and some people just get it wrong, so they try something that they're not even eligible for. Obviously, a lawyer that has experience, and we work also with partners in different countries, we can hear the case and make an assessment whether you're entitled for a certain European citizenship or not. The second mistake we see is failing to produce the necessary documents. Any application is really based on documentation. Many times people find it very difficult to produce documents. We work with different archives and also with partners, with genealogists that can check your family tree and even find necessary documents. The third mistake that we see is, even if you know you're eligible and you have the documents, sometimes there's a misunderstanding of the rules and the procedures. So any application for a citizenship is a highly bureaucratic process. There are different rules and procedures that you really need to follow. So again, when you're trying something for the first time, there is a likely of making mistakes. Sometimes you have to start all over again. Sometimes the second time is more difficult. So if you have an expert lawyer guiding you through the way, obviously it should be much smoother and also faster at the end of the day. The fourth mistake we see is sometimes the application forms themselves can be very complicated and there's a lot of room for making mistakes. Some countries, the application forms are not even in English. Other times, even when there is an option to fill in the application in English, you don't exactly know what to fill out. And again, mistakes filling out application forms can result in the application being rejected. Sometimes, the second time applying can be in some cases almost impossible. So it's best to use an expert that will help you not to make this mistake. And the last and fifth mistake that we see people doing is because of all the bureaucracy, the red tape, getting the documents, filling out the forms, sometimes people get frustrated and even abandon a process that they started just because they're so disappointed and frustrated and don't know how to go forward. So using an expert that has experience will really also help you push this application forward, because usually it's a matter of at least months, and many times some applications can be a year or even years sometimes. So having an expert by your side, a guide pushing the application forward from one step to the other, is really helpful. So I hope you listened until now and you will not make these mistakes. People can actually apply on their own, like people can do many things on their own. But if you want an expert, experienced guide to lead you through the process of a European passport, you're always welcome to contact us.